So SAU USD defended 2,677. We were expecting a drawdown into 2,671. But at this level, it will be watched because the, the influx of liquidity into and for 2 days now, most fundamental analysis is not really helping the greenback, and they defended this level very well. So this is a new structure. Market is dynamic. For every time market change direction, we must change our charts. We must change our charts. You see, we have two directions in this trade: the purple direction and the red direction. They are both in a different direction. So for now, the market has respected the bullish ascending channel. After a breakout from the descending trend line, 4 hours descending trend line, look at the breakout. This is a fake out, price broke the structure, return back, now retest, and came down. See Asian section 2,671, retested the broken descending trend line as support, and price have moved to test the current high, which is 2,697, and price dropped to be waged by this price action. So at this level, I see that the price action is here. Look at the price action that had price. Look at the price action, break and retest, break and retest. Very nice price action. So what that means is that buyers, they want to break the structure to come to this level, and it coincides with my supply roof. And this supply roof, the price action is from here. The demand floor, demand floor, break of structure, retest. Now this is going to be another retest, and that retest will coincide with the supply roof at this level. There's a supply roof. This is a very strong supply roof, and I can tell you again, this is a very strong supply roof at 2,719. This 2,719 is a very strong supply roof. But the issue here is that market want to tap into liquidity. It makes a whole lot of sense to break the supply roof of 2,719, possibly by 4 hours candle. Then the market is going to move to update this resistance structure. It's going to move to this level, update it, then reject it by close of the 4 hours candle. So you could see out of the 4 hours candle, one, two, three, respect the structure, leading it into the zone. And when it gets there, the remaining 1 hour candle will reject all of them. So if you get here and you want to enter here for a sell, make sure that you are prepared. Make sure that if you are entering sell at this level, you are prepared, because the market could move you to 34. And if the market moves you into 34, your stop loss is going to be hit. So you have to reduce your exposure at this level. If you come here, reduce your exposure. Reduce your exposure and have a markup of at least 20 points. Market might move extra 200 pips from this level. And by the time you know it, market, because it want to update the structure. Price want to update the structure. It want to update the structure. So if you do so, then you are actually, your stop loss is going to be hot. Our strategy is very clear: impulse, correction, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So if you move that impulse leg will break this supply roof. And if it does so, your stop loss will be hit. I can tell you for sure. Your stop loss will definitely be hit. Okay? Because now a lot of traders have placed sell order on this zone. So what the market will do is to push buying beyond this level. It does not have intention to sell above this level, but it will come here to update the structure. So you must pay attention to this critical structure. This is a bullish ascending trend line. This bullish channel is what the market is following. For now, for now, the market updated the floor one, initiated a route. It needs to come back here again. And if price comes here, it will be in the zone of 2,731, and the market will reject it. It will reject it from there. So if you are entering at this level, I'm not saying that market will not react here. Market will react at this level. At this level, there are a lot of sell order. A lot of holders might be willing to sell. And you can see it's looking more like an institutional sell order. But as much as it looks like institutional sell order, it's also a trap. It's also a trap. So don't fall for it. Our strategy is to sell at the break of the previous high. So if you want to sell at the break of a previous high, allow price to break structure. So if 1 hour, 2 hours, and the 3 hours break this structure, by the close of 4 hours, this structure will retrace and return back. So the for markets to withhold 2,677 is a clear sign that most likely the current roof will be smashed. So hopefully what we are going to see today is a retest into the zone of 2,700, 2,701, another strong supply roof. So on this level now, it will be contested because also the structure is looking like an institutional structure. But I believe that this bullish ascending channel must come to this area. So if you are placing a sell order here, you must come with a very robust stop loss. Otherwise, it's going to take you. The same way the channel adopted, if price returns and come to this zone, market will move into 2,820, breaking by far the current all-time high. And from this level, market will begin to retrace. This is the structure of market. Market is well structured. And over time, we have seen this happen. I made a call 2 days ago on a potential buy opportunity based on structure of market. After spotting this structure, I made a call. I said, hold your buy at 2,656 into 57 and 58. Look at the structure. A break of structure at this level, break of structure. And price came, retested, and before you know it, it hit price firmly. So it's how the market is structured, and it will always be that way. It will always be that way. Always. It will always be that way. So you look at the structure here, it from this level, and when market came here, it retested and just uh, just left. So let's see what it does. Let's see what it does from here. Let's see what it does from here. But you can see the trend lines are the same. We clone this trend line. As we clone this line, for everywhere you place it, the angle is the same. So this is one of the most accurate structure the market have adopted. You can see it's the same. It's the same. And when we also clone this structure again, this is a different trend angle from the previous one we had. You can see the price action on the floor is the same. So just be doubting it.